Decoding involves transforming words, numbers, or sentences into a specific pattern. This reasoning skill is crucial in the officer intelligence rating test, assessing logical thinking and pattern recognition. Mastering this can enhance performance in picture perception and description test, PPDT, and other assessments. Decoding involves transforming words, numbers, or sentences using a specific pattern. The challenge is to decode this pattern to find the correct answer. In Services Selection Board, it forms a crucial part of the officer intelligence rating test, assessing candidates' logical thinking and pattern recognition abilities. Decoding encompasses various types. Letter coding involves replacing letters with patterns. Number coding uses numerical patterns. Substitution coding replaces words or phrases. Symbol coding uses symbols to represent information. Mixed letter number coding combines letters and numbers for complex patterns. Each type tests different aspects of logical reasoning and pattern recognition. Letter coding involves substituting letters with others based on a pattern. For instance, if cat becomes DBU, each letter is shifted by +1, C to D, A to B, T to U. Applying this to dog, D becomes E, O becomes P, and G becomes H, resulting in EPH. Number coding involves replacing words with numbers based on alphabet positions. For instance, in bat is equal to 1, 3 to 0, B is 2, A is 1, T is 20. Applying this to dog, D is 4, O is 15, G is 7, resulting in 4157. This method deciphers words into numerical codes efficiently. Substitution coding involves replacing words with other words. For instance, sky is blue becomes Amai Lona and blue is good becomes Na Loti. By identifying common words, lo means is, na means blue, thus Amai translates to sky. Symbol coding involves using letters or symbols to represent relationships in logic puzzles. For instance, if A plus B means A is the father of B and B means A is the mother of B, then A plus B, C indicates A is the maternal grandfather of C. This method simplifies complex familial relationships. Mixed letter number coding involves assigning numbers to letters like A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, up to Z is equal to 26. For example, hello translates to 8, 5, 12, 12, 15. Adding these gives 52. This method helps in decoding messages by converting letters to numbers and performing arithmetic operations. Identify patterns like +1, -1, or letter reverses. For example, with cat, adding +1 to each letter gives D, B. You recognize alphabet positions, A is equal to 1, Z is equal to 26, and use elimination in multiple choice questions. Regular practice enhances speed and accuracy. For Q1, observe the pattern. Each letter in Mung is shifted by +1 to get NPOL. Thus, Sage becomes TBHF. In Q2, tree corresponds to numbers 20, 18, 5, 5. Their sum is 48. For Q3, beautiful is decoded as mo based on the given phrases. For Q1, Sage translates to TBHF. In Q2, the sum of tree is 48, calculated as 20 plus 18 plus 5 plus 5. For Q3, the word beautiful is decoded as mo. Practice 5 questions daily, focusing on understanding logic rather than memorization. This approach is crucial for the Services Selection Board Day 1 screening, particularly the Officer Intelligence Rating Test. Remember, success in Services Selection Board hinges on clarity and presence of mind, not just intelligence. Psychological tests conducted at the Services Selection Board, SSB, are designed to assess a candidate's personality by eliciting natural and subconscious responses. The focus is on revealing the true personality traits of the individual, which are often reflected in unfiltered, instinctive reactions. Each candidate's response is unique and personalized, based on their individual mindset, values, and life experiences. Therefore, no model answers or suggested solutions can be prescribed. The tests are not meant to be memorized or rehearsed. Our purpose at Vishvasniya is to educate on how they are conducted and not to suggest what to write. Jai Hind.